Hey guys, this is Mark here, drone pilot, UAV pilot. Just letting everybody know that we are going to try and go to Birmingham, Alabama. I got to get with the park and talk to them and see what I got to do. I want to film Vulcan from my Typhoon H Pro. And do an orbit and things like that. But I got to get with the park and see what I have to do that. And also, I'm sure I'll have to call the Birmingham Airport Tower and let them know what I'm doing as well for safety precautions. So, um, I don't know when I'm going to do this. It's probably going to be a couple of months or so. I just want to go ahead and throw this out there for everybody. So just be looking forward to that. I think it'll be a cool video and maybe some pictures to take. Um, so that's why I got in the city posted up here. So we'll be headed to Birmingham, Alabama, to try to get some pictures of the old iron statue that's been up there. Gosh, I don't even know when. I don't know. 40s, maybe 30s, something like it. It's been up there a long time. Um, and I think it's about the same size as Statue of Liberty, or pretty close to it, I think. I don't think it's the same size, but I think it's pretty close to it. Um, and of course, we got a town. If you're not familiar with Birmingham, Alabama, we got a city called Homewood, Alabama, which is on the other side of Vulcan. And Vulcan doesn't wear any pants, as if that's a big if, I can take my drone up there, you'll see. He doesn't wear any pants, and he moons Homewood, the people that live in Homewood. So it's pretty cool. It's a cool statue, and but anyway, let's cross our fingers and hopefully we can get this done. I'm waiting for one. I'm waiting for the weather to warm up. Waiting for spring to get here. So it's going to be a couple of months before I do it. And I'm into some other projects to where we're going to be probably going camping a lot, and we're going to get some other drone videos of different things. So everybody just stay tuned and pass the word around and subscribe to me. Please pass the word to your friends and all that. Share my videos. I know I don't have a lot on here, and some of them are kind of goofy. But we were just out the other day flying around. I got a new Typhoon H Pro, so I just threw it up in the air, and I also got a Q500 4K that I've only flown twice now. And I've also got a Mavic Pro that I've flown 4 times. So yeah, I got a lot of drones, but the one I like the most so far is the uh, Typhoon H Pro. I love that drone, man. It is cool, very cool. But anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Like I said, we're going to be taking pictures, videos of different things, possibly Mississippi, Georgia, Florida, Tennessee, maybe, and maybe some other states. I don't know. I've got a lot of irons in the fire right now trying to get things together, camping gear wise and all that. So just stay tuned. Like I said, pass the word around about me. And like I said, we'll be throwing up some more videos. I'm hoping here in a couple of weeks or so. Weather, it's just been bad around here in Alabama. It's been cold, cloudy, damp, rainy, and I'm not getting my drones out in that. They're way too expensive, and yeah, I'm not doing that. So anyway, guys, excuse me, I'm sick. I'm trying to get over this mess, but Anyway, like I said, pass the word around, sub to me, and I would greatly appreciate it. You don't have to, but I would greatly appreciate it. Anyway, and also